So now we talk about Cryptosera project, which is the world's 100% decentralized project where you can earn along with learning and that too with 100% guarantee. Cryptosera first 100% success ratio ecosystem. Cryptosera is a project where people earn 100% money. There are thousands of companies in the market. In every company 2% and 5% people earn money. Maximum people fail. But in our project Cryptosera 100% people earn money. How is that? I will explain to you in next video. Now we talk about some advantage of Cryptosera. First, like the first advantage is daily income without referring. It means that you can earn money without referring or working. Second, instant income after enrolling. When you become a part of our project, your income starts immediately. Third, 100% success ratio. It has a 100% success ratio. There is no loss for anyone. Fourth, no money loss. There is no loss of money in it because if even if you are not able to work, you still earn here. Fifth, working income. If you work, you also get working income. Sixth, automation system. Everything here by deposit from withdrawal to income, everything works on an automation system. Types of income. There are two types of income in Cryptosera. First, direct referral income. Second, freedom income. The first income is working income and the second income is non-working income. Let's understand the two income in details. First income, direct referral income 20%. For example, if you join an ID in project with $100 and refer any person like family, friends, unknown person, then you get a commission of 20%. We have other packages of the same type, $100, $200, $500, $1000. If you refer anyone from any of these packages, you get 20% commission on that amount. Now we talk about the second income of the project, which is called freedom income. This is totally non-working income. This income is created for those people who do not want to work but still want to generate income. So this income is for them. Let's understand how this income is received. As I told you earlier that 20% go to the refer but the remaining 80% go to the company. Then from there it is equally distributed among all the people in the company. So in this way, those who do not work also earn money from the distribution of 80% of the company turnover. Let's generate it. Now we will explain it in a little more detail within an example. First example, suppose a company earns some business of $100 and as an example there are 10 people in the company. Then the company will distribute $10 among all those peoples. Now let's understand with another example. If the company earns $500 business on any given day and for example there are 10 people in the project, then $50 will be distributed per person. Now let's understand with the one last example. Suppose on some day a company earns business of $1000 and as an example there are 10 people in the company, then there will be distribution of $100 per person. So what I mean to say is that even if the company earns 1000 or 1 lakh business per day, then distribution is equally among everyone. On the day when the business is less, there is less distribution, and on the day when the business is more, there is more distribution. It all depends on turnover of the company. Nothing is fixed. Till now, we have talked about how to get non-working income. Now we will talk about how much non-working will be given because it is not possible that a person joins with $100 and earns lifetime non-working income. So there is some limitation in this that you can earn 3 times more non-working income than the investment you make. Like if you start $100, then you will get $300. If you start with a $200, then you will get $600. If you start $350, then you will get $1050. Similarly, we have other packages here to up to $5000. Now whatever amount you start with, you will get a 3x of that. Important notes. Now let's talk about some important notes. You can withdraw it anytime. When 3 times non-working is completed, automatic withdrawal will happen. There will be no income after withdrawal. When we withdraw, we get 20% deduction, out of which 10% is distributed by the company to the entire team, and 10% is kept with us to survive the company. Thank you for watching full video. Whatever person you are watching this video through, if you have any doubts or if you don't understand something, then you can ask them a question.